I was trying to find my knife, which was an anniversary gift, a real nice Spyderco that my wife had got me. It was last year or the year before, and I have not found it.
So we're headed to the landfill this morning, and we're going to haul off some shingles and some debris.
Set up an account with y'all.
Set up an account?
Yeah, because we're going to have a bunch.
Okay.
We just bought the King of the Road property right on the state line.
Okay.
I'm probably going to have 3-4 times a week bringing a whole bunch down.
I'll give you a piece of paper to fill out and you can bring it back. That was quick.
Pretty fast.
All right, you said King of the Road. Is that on the line, Roe Mountain?
It's literally on the line.
Yeah, what are y'all going to do with it? I'm curious. I'm being nosy.
We got 2 little apartments we're going to rent out, and then we're going to do something family-oriented with the old restaurant part. But we're not sure what yet.
Yeah.
That'll be good.
But something
back in the day, they had good steak.
They did.
Store-bought.
Yeah.
They cut their own steaks. They still got the old bandsaw that was for meat processing in it that they used to cut steaks with.
Yeah.
Well, that makes me happy. Y'all gonna do something with it.
All right, we are in the process of trying to load up all these old booths that we're not going to do anything with and just junk them, get rid of them.
Trailer. Thank you, Dad, for letting us borrow your trailer. And we still got a few more. We're going to sadly have to make 2 trips to the landfill.